and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. 6.3 magnitude earthquake strikes Ecuador, injuring 32 and damaging over 800 buildings. A powerful 6.3 magnitude earthquake hit the Ecuadorian port city of Esmeraldas early on Friday, causing significant damage and injuries. The tremor, which occurred just offshore at a depth of about 35 kilometers, struck around 7 a.m. local time, injuring at least 32 people and damaging more than 800 buildings. Ecuador's Emergency Responses Agency reported that 179 homes were completely destroyed, while an additional 716 homes were damaged. The earthquake also triggered widespread power and communication outages across the region, affecting around 80% of the homes. Local residents and authorities described scenes of the devastation with collapsed walls and crumbled debris blocking the streets. And many people were seen gathering outside, surveying the damage and navigating through the debris. The quake caused significant disruptions, with the damage reported to 4 healthcare centers, 80 schools, a military building, 2 roads and a bridge. Operations at the Esmeraldas refinery and nearby pipeline were temporarily halted as a precaution. The refinery processes 111,000 barrels of the oil per day, while the Trans-Ecuadorian pipeline system transports 360,000 barrels daily. The earthquake was felt in 10 provinces across the Ecuador, including Manabí, Larios, Guas, and Pichincha. Although the tremor was felt widely, no injuries have been reported in the neighboring Colombia, and authorities have confirmed there is a tsunami risk. The earthquake struck just a week after the Ecuador marked the anniversary of the devastating 7.8 magnitude earthquake in 2060, which killed 673 people and injured over 6,000. And that's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.